people are very worried next year about whether they're going to be able to pay their rent.
A new survey done by Habitat for Humanity about housing affordability and the growing barriers to home ownership found that compared to the rest of Canada, Montreal had the highest percentage of individuals that felt that they were not able to afford a home in their area.
In Montreal, 75% are looking at paying less for food and transportation, paying down debt, savings, all so that they can keep their housing going.
Over 1,500 Canadians were surveyed nationally between September 7th to September 17th. It shows 86% of Montrealers feel that homes in their area are unaffordable, the highest percentage compared to the Canadian average at 74%, and that 93% of Montrealers agree that there is a shortage of affordable housing compared to the rest of Canada at 90%. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Montreal is close to $1,500, an increase of 11% compared to the previous year.
It's a concern for future generations. You know, even people who own homes, we know that we wonder how anyone's going to be able to buy a home in the next, 5, 10, 15 years.
Sophie Dalbec, part of Habitat for Humanity Quebec, works with families to ensure they're able to own a home, but says with increased prices, it's becoming harder to provide affordable housing.
It's a difficulty considering the market, the cost of materials, the cost of the workers, everything's gone up so much, so it's harder and harder to build affordable homes.
The survey found 65% of Montrealers would not relocate to find housing compared to the rest of Canada, with 40% saying they would move.
They're really wanting to have housing solutions in Montreal. They believe that government has to have a bigger role in creating those housing solutions.
The organization says they're hoping to build 22 affordable homes over the next 4 years for those in Quebec, but they're lacking the support needed.
There's many ways to help us. We're looking for partners in terms of building, construction, contractors, entrepreneurs, materials, anything that can help us with our building projects.
In Montreal, Felisha Adam, City News.